parse byte, parse short, and so on. After that, I given a solution for demo methods too. Hope I uploaded the notes, I think. Okay, right. After this one, I introduced one subclass concept to you yesterday. In the process of constructing Java applications, we must use one main class and can use any number of subclasses. One main class and any number of subclasses. Sir, main class means what? The class in the application which is holding main method is known as main class. Subclass means the class which is declared in the application other than main class. We are calling it as a subclass. It's a theoretical information to you. Yesterday, I took one program which contains two classes. One is main class, one is subclass. That subclass also with parameter and return type. I not yet explained that program with a diagram. So I given one assignment to you anyway. The program what I given to you, demo methods 3, demo methods 2, demo methods 1. This one. One subclass and one main class. Now today's class is first 15 minutes. Let me draw one small diagram for this program because parameter passing and return type method is available. We must get clarity on that concept. Can I start it? Right. After that, I'll give the solution for this program. How many of you typed this? Raise your hands. Right. How many of you got the errors? Raise your hands. How many of you tried? Raise your hands. Right. Okay. So suddenly writing one program, it takes a time. Hope so. Let me explain the above program first and I'll come back to your solution once. This one. Execution flow of demo methods 3. I'm starting the class from here. Just watch it. What I'm going to do. Execution flow of above program, nothing but demo methods 2 methods 3.java. Why I'm drawing the diagram means I'm ending the week, no? So today the week is ending. Yes or no? Sir, 3 weeks completed, sir, with independence and so on. Yes or no? Right. We started with one JVM flow. Some idea is there with you. Again, I'm drawing one small flow for 15 minutes. Target of this diagram is understanding method with parameter and return type. That you have to watch it. Right. So we taken one program like this. We saved the program with We saved the program, that is source code. We saved the program with demo methods 3.java. We saved the program with the main class. Understood now, right? Okay. Now, how many class components are available in this program? 2 class components. This is one class. This is one class. Observe this point now. So 2 dot class files will come. How many dot class files? 2. One is employee salary dot class file. One is what now? Demo methods 3. How many class components are there? That many dot class files will come. That is a new concept only. So 2 dot class files will come. Whenever I compiled this program, whenever I compile this program, whenever I do compilation, Java C demo methods 3.java. Sir, whenever I do compilation in this format, I am compiling with the main class. After compilation, 2 dot class files will come. The byte code is 2 dot class files. One is employee salary dot class file, and one more is what now? Demo methods 3 dot class file. All of it clear with this statement, right? After compilation, 2 classes are there. One is subclass, one is main class. Now 2 dot class files will come as a bytecode. Now I am sending for execution. I am sending for execution. We have to execute which one now? Main class or subclass? Main class. We have to execute main class. We have to load main class indirectly. So execution process. Execution process. In this execution process, we had Java followed by demo methods 3. I'm loading main. All of you understood this, right? I am not loading subclass. You are going to watch it when subclass will come. Subclass is not coming. Only main class is coming now. Now, the class loader subsystem, what is available part of your JVM, the class loader subsystem, the class loader subsystem with the support of loader, it takes that demo methods 3 dot class file and load it onto method area. The classes will come and load onto method area, no? Yes or no? Na? So method area, where classes are loaded, heap area, where objects are created, Java stack area, where methods are executed. These 3 partitions, you have to remember it. So this is method area. This is method area. This is heap area. This is Java stack area. Now, whatever the class is given to class loader, the class loader will take the demo methods 3 and load it onto method area. Load it onto method area. So the class will come and load onto method area. So demo methods 1 is coming. demo methods 3 is coming. Everybody clear? Right. So this is coming. Demo methods 3. Methods 3 is coming. In this demo methods 3 class, main will get the memory here. Main will get the memory. Public static void main will get the memory. Once main got the memory, you know, automatically copied onto Java stack. This is the main or not now? So automatically copied onto Java stack. So the main automatically copied onto Java stack. Automatically copied onto Java stack. The main is copied here. The main automatically copied here. Once the main copied here now, here some partition will come. Here partition you know already. When the main came here, your execution engine will detect it. Your execution engine will detect this main and starts the process. Execution engine will come. Everybody clear up to here? Right. Now main started. Still subclass not entered. Employee salary class not entered. Only main class came. Okay. Execution started. What is the first line now? Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system. That is object creation. No, right. So the first line is executed. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Daily I drawn one oral diagram. No, daily. Sir, scanner, new scanner. Sir, new means one object is created. So one reference created here. Yes or no? Na? One reference created. I prepared your mindset since 1 week. Okay, right. Now one reference created. After the reference has been created, at this reference, one storage is going to come. The storage belongs to which class now? Scanner. So how the flow will be there means, first one reference will come. First who will come now? One reference will come. After reference came here now, new followed by what now? Scanner. Now execution engine will say, I want scanner class. I want scanner class because I must create object for scanner. Object means storage. I must create storage for scanner. Now that message will go to class loader. The message will go to whom now? Class loader. The class loader will take that message. Okay. Execution engine is asking for scanner. Loader, you go and load it. Because class loader will give the instruction to loader. Loader, you go and load it. Then the loader will ask where that scanner is available. Now developer given the information to us. Where the information now? Scanner belongs to util. Util belongs to Java. Go to that Java library. Right? Import scanner from util, util from Java. Everybody clear? Right. Now the class loader subsystem with the support of loader, the scanner class will be loaded. Now scanner class came or not now? First who came now? Demo methods 3 came. Now who is coming now? Scanner class is coming. So the classes are coming one by one. So scanner class is coming. Now scanner class has many methods. No? Next byte method, dot, dot. They are all static methods or non-static methods? Non-static methods. I made a statement in your notes. No, they are all instance methods. Memory not available in the class. They'll get the memory within the object. So what happened now? Execution engine starts creating object. Starts creating object. While it is creating object now, it creates one buffer. It has to create one buffer or not now, where this buffer is connected to your operating system buffer down. Imagine it, one operating system buffer. I educated you since 2 days. I prepared your mindset. One operating system buffer is available down, where this operating system buffer internally connected to this object. Daily you are imagining now this one, right? Where your keyboard is connected here. That keyboard I am calling it as console. I'm saying the term I'm using console. The reason, 3 inputs we must train to you. One is console input, one is GUI input, one is HTML form input. 3 types will be there. Now the training is in console input. Later on we train GUI input, means buttons, text fields and so on. After that we train HTML input. 3 types of inputs. Now we are under which input now? Console. So because I am always educating you, Venkatesh sir is giving training on console input. That is from keyboard connection. When I reach to GUI, I'll give the clarity. When I reach to HTML, I'll give the clarity. Until then, I'm commenting it as an console. This is the diagram daily we are drawing. This connection is established because of what now? System.in. That is the imagination. Daily or imaginating. After that connection has been completed, what are the methods available in the class? The methods will get the memory here. Now instance methods has to get the memory here only, no? Yes or no? Na? So next byte method, memory here. Next long method, dot, dot, dot. They'll get the memory here or not now? Right. This is. So they are attached here. Means what? The methods will get the memory here. Everybody clear with this statement? Right. Already before drawing this diagram, overall I drawn the diagram and I educated already. Already you are reading the data. 2 days. I given a time to you to educate that flower. Now, after this object creation completed, this reference will be loaded onto yes. Yes or no? Na? Yes or no? Louder. So the address will be loaded. This is the scanner class object you are imaginating. Now, this is the non-primitive data type variable. Everybody clear with scanner class object? Okay. Using this scanner class object, we can read the data. To read the data only, you are practiced yesterday and the day before yesterday, 2 days time to read the data. Day before yesterday, reading, printing. Yesterday, 1 or 2 small conditions. That only difference. So finally, 2 days reading and displaying. First line completed. After the first line completed, the scanner class object connected. Now the scanner class object ready to take the data from the keyboard. That's the meaning. Now read the data. What are you reading the data now? Int BS. I'm commenting because I'm leaving the week, no? So S is what kind of variable? Primitive or non-primitive? Non-primitive. Why it is non-primitive now? Declared by the type class. Yes or no? Na? Louder I want. If you are silent, week is completing. Venkatesh sir will be in tension. Because next week is the 4th week. Next week is the 5th week. Next week is the 6th week. 7th, 8th. Tata bye-bye. Dasara will come. You all will go for Dasara. So be alert. The time is going on. Observe this point or not? No, time not there. You have to read it. So you have to read it. If you are not understanding, you read it. Time not there. Venkatesh sir will not wait. See, next Monday we are starting. No, today you are ending. It will come. So you must be in position to identify. So yes is declared by the type scanner. So scanner is a class. So S is, sir, non-primitive data type local variable. Yes or no? Na? Yeah, that local variable means inside the main. No, right? Okay. Now I am commenting this also. BS. Now BS is declared by the type what now? Int. Int comes under primitive or non-primitive? Primitive. So BS is primitive data type local variable. Everybody clear now? Right. Now local variable BS will get the value. I am reading the BS. I am reading the BS. So BS is a local variable. Imagine it. This is a local variable. BS loaded with 15,000. Loaded with 15,000. Everybody clear with the line number 2? Right. BS variable got the data from the keyboard. That is 15,000. After this BS, I written one condition here now. What is the condition now? If BS greater than or equal to 12,000. I written a condition here. If BS greater than or equal to 12,000. Now the condition is true or false? True. Because 15,000 greater than or equal to 12,000. It is true. It is true. Sir, whenever it is true now, I am creating object or not? I am creating object now, right? I am creating object for whom now? Employee salary ES is equal to new employee salary. If the condition is true, we are creating object for employee salary. If condition is false, we are not creating object. So here employee salary. Employee salary ES is equal to new employee salary. Employee salary ES is equal to new employee salary. Same format, no? See there. Now, new means what now? Sir, one reference created here. Sir, here, one reference created. Because objects are created in the heap area only. One reference created. After that, new followed by one class. New followed by one class. What is the class name now? Employee salary. Now execution engine will say, I must create object for employee salary. I must create storage for employee salary. Load it. The press message, the request passed to class loader subsystem to load it. Now that class loader subsystem will load the subclass. Subclass here or not now? Employee salary will be loaded. At last, the subclass is coming inside. Until then, the subclass is waiting outside or not now? So, employee salary. Employee salary class is coming. So, what is employee salary? Sorry, what it contains now? Employee salary is holding one method. See this method. I'm commenting on this method now, right? This method is return type or non-return type? Return type. Statica, non-statica? Non-static. Non-static other name is what now? Instance. With parameter, without parameter, with parameter. What is the comment now? Sir, this is return type instance method with parameter. Right? Memory in the class or memory in the object? Memory in the object. So parameter memory in object. So return type instance method with parameter memory in object. That is the imagination. Okay, right. Now this method will come here now. Float, calculate of basic salary. Now this method is instance method, memory not available here. Now once the loading completed, then object created. Object means what? One storage. In that storage, instance member will get the memory. Instance member means what now? Sir, float. Like your M1 getting the memory diagram is there or not now? That is a demo diagram, M1, M2. The same way, this method is getting the memory here. Calculate int basic salary. Now, this method got the memory here. Just I'm giving one number to it. One number. Now, this method, after object creation, the address will come and load onto ES or not now? Yes or no? Na? So load it onto ES. Load it onto ES. All of you understood this? Object holding instance method. Now, what is ES now here, sir? ES is now ES is primitive or non-primitive? Non-primitive data type local variable. Yes or no? Na? So ES is declared by the type what now? Employee salary. Employee salary is a class, no? The variable which is declared by the type class, we call it as a non-primitive data type variable. This variable is inside the method. We call it as what now? Local variable. Understood now? Right. After this object creation completed, access this method. ES dot calculate of basic salary. One difference will be there between other language and Java, because students feels very hard. Here, day by day, the pattern will be changing. So students should work more hard in Java, especially. Other language like C language or Python, they'll print int, float, char. They'll write many programs for you. I write either. Suddenly one class will come, one object will come with parameter, return type. So suddenly the patterns will be changing day by day. For this, what is the technique means? So students should be connected to the class at least for 4 weeks, non-stoppingly reading. Then only it is possible. Suddenly yesterday's class, today's class, day before yesterday's class changed already. Monday class, Tuesday class, next week Friday class will be different. The patterns will be changing and coming suddenly. Today, see there, I am calling one method. The method is returning the values. The pattern changed immediately. So here, this program is third program only in the methods. In the methods third program, suddenly the method is returning the value. See there, float total salary here. The syntax what we written here. Float total salary is equal to ES dot calculate of BS is a syntax. Now call this calculate method which belongs to ES. That is the meaning of it. Call that calculate method which belongs to ES. That's a method call now. Now I am calling the method. This method is called. This method is called. We are calling this method. See there. Calculate method belongs to ES. ES means address location. No. 0x22. Two objects are there. One object is scanner. One object is the other one. We are calling from 0x22. The method will come out for execution. The method will come out. The method coming out for execution. The method is coming out. Float calculate of int basic salary. This method came out for execution. This method came out for execution. The number I am giving it as 3. For user define, I am giving a number. This method came out. When the method came here, separate partition. This is one separate partition. Separate partition. When the method came here, observe it. I am passing BS as parameter. This BS is 15,000 is there, no? This BS I am passing as a parameter. BS means I am passing 15,000 as parameter. I am passing this 15,000 as parameter. Whatever the 15,000 I am passing as parameter here, BS, the BS value will be loaded onto this variable. Here I took one variable or not now? BSAL. This will be loaded. Now this is passed. That only the definition. Parameters are the variables which are used to transfer the data from one method to another method. I am transferring the data 15,000 from main method to calculate method. Observe this point. That only parameter passing. That only parameter passing. So main method is sending some data to calculate method. Main method belongs to another class. Calculate method belongs to another class. Both are two different classes. Main method belongs to main class. Calculate method belongs to subclass. But you are sending the value, no. Parameters are nothing but variables which will help you to transfer some data from one method to another method. That only concept. That only diagram here. So I am passing BS. The value 15,000 will come and load onto BSAL. This is one variable or not now? This variable is inside the method. Int basic salary is inside the method. Int basic salary is inside the method because you written inside the brackets or not now? Inside the method. So whenever it is inside the method, what is that BSAL? Sir, BSAL is primitive or non-primitive? Primitive data type local variable. Now BSL is a variable or not now? Yes or no? Na? It's a variable. Variable declared inside the method. Sir, how can you say inside the method? Within the brace, no? Within the brace means inside. Sir, inside means they are local variable. So what type of variable now? Int now. Int comes under what now? Primitive data type variable. If it is a primitive data type local variable memory inside the method, no? That is the rules of your language. So BSAL will get the memory here only. BSAL will get what value now? 15,000. Now BS 15,000 loaded onto BSAL. Observe not now. Now BSAL are known as parameters. The two variables you can call it as what now? Parameters. Why means they helped you to transfer the data. Now finally 15,000 came there or not now? Once it came here now, here I am writing the formula. What is the formula now? Total salary. Sir, this is total salary. TSAL is primitive or non-primitive now? So float is primitive or non-primitive? Primitive. So TSAL is primitive data type local variable. It is inside or not now? So what happened now? Sir, TSAL will get the calculated value. Yesterday, suddenly I written F here or not now? Today I'll write the notes under F. Yesterday oral I declared. Today I'll write the notes. Parameter notes and so on notes will come. I'll write the notes about this F today. Clear, right? Anyway, some calculated value is coming or not now? The calculated value will come on to TSAL. TSAL is a local variable. The calculator value TSAL is equal to some value is coming here. Calculated value is coming some 38,000 something. 38,400 is coming. Coming or not now? All of you understood up to here, right? Once the result came here, you are writing what now? RETURN. Return TSAL. That is a line available here or not now? Return TSAL. Sir, return means what, sir? See, I given a notes to you. The methods which return the value after method execution. Now this calculate method is returning one value, no. The methods which return the value after method execution are known as return type methods. The methods which are declared without void, you are in position to identify, no, without void are known as return type methods. How to return the value now? We use return statement. We are using no. We use return statement. We use return statement to return the value after method execution. Method execution completed. We are using a return statement to return the value. The returned value will come back to where now? Method call. The returned value. The value is there not TSAL 38,400. The value should come back to the method call. That is the rule now. The returned value will come back to the method call. The returned value will come back to the method call. Where is the method call now? This is the method call. The returned value should come back to the method call. All of you understood that green line now? Yes or no? Na? The returned value is coming back to the method call. That only. The returned value will come back to method call. What value now? 38,400 came. Calculate method taken 15,000 and performed calculation and returned 38,400 back. Understood or not now? Daily are using Paytm or not now? You are going to one tea shop and paying that 6 rupees now. Right, what now? Your Paytm has been paid 6 rupees. The message is coming back or not now? Roughly I'm speaking. It has to return the value or not? Wherever you call, there only it has to return the value. The method is called from here. the value is coming back here. When the value came back here now, here, this is RHS, no? Yes or no? Na? Here one equality is there, no? Equality means what now? Assignment. You have to assign the value from RHS to LHS. Who is available in the LHS now? Total salary, one variable is available. Total salary, one variable is available here. Sir, what is this total salary? Float value. So total salary is primitive data type, local variable. Clear, everyone? Now see there, the data will come back and load on to this variable. That only concept. So, sir, this is local variable memory here only. So here the memory will come. The data came back to total salary, one variable. The data came and loaded here. 38,400 traveled back from the method and loaded here. That is a concept. All of you understood return type methods now? The methods will return the value back to the method call. Whenever it return the value back now, this method frame will be destroyed. This method frame will be destroyed. Yes or no? Na? This is destroyed. Control will come here now. It is available on total salary. If it is available on total salary, you are printing or not? You are printing the total salary. You are printing the output. The output is coming out. So here the output is coming. When the output comes, what happened now? Sir, if condition ended. And then not now. If condition comes out of your method or not now. All of you understood this diagram? Yes or no? Na? Right. See the flow. Today, you are presenting in diagram. One day, without a diagram also, the imagination should come. That's called experience. Today, I am new to the language, no sir. I am drawing on the paper because I'll forget it, sir, because mind control not there, sir, practice not there. One day, you show one program, sir, diagram not needed, sir, I'm imaginating, sir. Where is that variable? Where is that method? Where is that object? I'll imagine. Advance of that only. By seeing a program, developer will see and say, where are the locations? Understood this point? That is a way of practicing Java. This much imagination I cannot practice. For them only Java is very hard, they'll say. Because if you look the program, nothing is there in the program. If you see the program, nothing is there. I commented and came, no, everything with green lines, they're all comments. Hope you are clear with return type. The return type method. What you observed here, 2 points you observed here. The 2 points are, sir, main class is loading first. Observe this. Main class is loading and remaining subclasses, they are coming from the library. They're coming from the library. Now scanner class is predefined class. Yes or no? The scanner class is what class now? Predefined class. This is predefined class. Now what is employee salary? User defined class. Now both came and sitting or not now? So this is user defined class. One is predefined class, one is user defined class. One came from library, one we defined. Both are subclasses only. Scanner also subclass only. Employee salary also subclass only. Because main method not available, no? Who is holding main method now? Demo methods 3. So main class will be loaded onto method area. Then subclasses will be loaded based on their requirement. Based on their requirement in execution process. If you want it, they will come. If you don't want it, they will not come. The only advantage of object oriented. There's a major advantage of object oriented. They divide into parts and they are available outside. When they wanted, they'll come inside. Unless they will not come. Right. Make that statement. This diagram will be pasted to you. Part of your notes anyway. Execution flow of demo methods 3. Right. After the diagram, note. Main class is loaded onto method area first. Main class is loaded onto method area first. Then subclasses are loaded based on their requirement. Based on their requirement in execution process. Based on their requirement in execution process. Main class is loaded onto method area first. Then subclasses are loaded based on their requirement in execution process. All of it clear, right? So how many variables are available here? How many variables? See there. Among this all program, one is yes, one is ES. S and ES are non-primitive data type variables. I am commenting here like this. I observed, sir, yes and ES are non-primitive data type variables in the program. Variables in the program. Next. Yes, I'll keep in a single quotes if not. Now. Now look here. In this program now, how many other variables are there now? BS, total salary, basic salary, TS, they are all variables only now, right? So I'll write comment. First one is BS, total salary, BSAL and TSAL are what kind of variable now? Primitive data type variables. Primitive data type variables. You had it. BS, total salary, BSAL and TSAL are primitive data type variables. So among these, which one are parameters now? Sir, among these variables, which one is parameter now? BS, BSAL are known as parameters because they transfer the amount, they transfer the data from one method to another method. So BS and BSAL are known as parameters because they are used to transfer the data from one method to another method. One method to another method. BS and BSAL are known as parameters because they are used to transfer the data from one method to another method. Clear everyone? Right. Among this, BS is known as actual parameter. BSAL is known as what now? Formal parameter. Among this, BS is known as actual parameter. Actual parameter. Actual parameter. BSAL is known as formal parameter. Actual parameter and formal parameter. BSAL is known as formal parameter. Sir, actual parameter means what, sir? The parameter which is used in method call, right? Holding original data and used in method call. We can call it as what now? Actual parameter. Make a statement. Define actual parameter. Define actual parameters. Define actual parameter. The parameters which are used in the parameters which are used in method call are known as actual parameters. The parameters which are used in method call are known as actual parameters, means original parameters, original data available there. So method call means this one. This is method call. I'm calling this method, no, this is method call. So this one you can say method call, you can say. You can say method call. This is method call or not now? In the method call, we are using BS, no? That we are calling it as actual parameter. This is known as method signature. This one, we call it as what now? Method signature. Method signature or method format. In the method signature, we are using one parameter now. What is the parameter now? BSAL. We call it as what now? Formal parameter. Make a statement. Define formal parameters. Define formal parameters. Define formal parameters. The parameters which are used in. Today, I'll add this program again to you because I commented, no, for to see the comments, I commented it. So